Hello and welcome to your suraflow practice, self-aura healing. Thank you for joining me. Let's go ahead and rub the palms of our hands together. As you know, we're made of pure energy. Our hands transmit energy at the center of the palms. So we're just awakening the energy at the center of our palms. Rub them vigorously, and now rub the fingernails and the knuckles together. And just keep rubbing and rubbing, and this is to awaken the natural electricity that flows through our physical body. Energy healing helps us to become aware of the energy that flows through us. Sometimes energy gets blocked. Sometimes we feel drained, and this practice will help us to feel more together, more centered, more in our power. So go ahead and pull the hands apart and just see if you can feel a pulse, a magnetic pull between the two hands. And it's just nice to feel this chi that emanates beyond our physical body. You can even press a finger, you can close your eyes and feel that, and just go in a circle one way and the other way, and just feel that energy transmission through the hands. And now you can take this and just start to scan around your physical body. So just without any expectation or judgment or being too much in the head, just take this time to only feel and sweep around your body. So you're just sweeping and feeling and noticing if there's any changes. You can even imagine being able to sweep inside the center line of the body and clear and balance energy through the whole center line of the body, which is where the energy centers are. Some people, they refer to them as chakras. And so you're just sweeping around your aura, and notice if you feel or experience anything. So as you do this, become aware of what you're feeling on the inside. Good. And you can draw energy up and out, and then allow your energy to flow. So it just starts with the intention to heal, balance, and ground your energy. Do you feel a little more relaxed and open? Do you feel more flowing? Just becoming aware. Now we're going to gather up those golden suns right above, and if you want, you can bring the palms of your hands together again and rub, and then the fingernails and the fingertips, the knuckles, and again the palms. Great. And then draw your hands up in the golden sun, drawing and gathering your own life force energy, magnetizing it right above your crown. So if you left your energy anywhere in places, at work or at somebody's house or in the past, if you projected your energy too much into the future, you're going to call it back into present time. And then gently draw your essence, your joy, your own energy back into your body. Notice how it feels as you do that, and make the intention to reclaim your own energy, to gather it up like a golden sun right above the crown. Good. And then allow it to come in through the center line, filling you up from the inside out into your aura, so that you're in an orb of golden light, your own energy. Just notice what it's like to be in your own energy. And again, drawing up that golden sun right above the crown, gathering it and bringing that chi all the way down into your body and noticing what you feel. Good. And then bring one hand to your dantian, which is 2 inches below your belly button here, and the other hand on top. And and gather your energy there. Breathe in. Envision the golden sun expanding in the lower abdomen, and breathe out. Let it go. Feel yourself grounding to the earth. Breathe in. Allow the golden sun to expand in the center of your body, and exhale, ground. Good. Last one, breathe in, golden sun, and breathe out, grounding and connecting to the earth and the heavens above. Being aware of your inner state and noticing how you feel. This is a way that you can bring energy towards yourself, balance, and heal your own energy. You can bring one hand to your heart center and keep the bottom hand 2 inches below the belly button. And just make the intention to balance and center your energy. Send yourself loving kindness and blessings. Notice what you experience as you practice this. Take a few gentle heart breaths, breathing in through the back of the heart and breathing out through the front side of your heart. One more like that, breathing in through the back of your heart and breathing out through the front of the heart, surrendering to the peace and stillness within the core of your being. I invite you to continue to practice this consistently every day. You can practice it before meditation. You can also practice this in your evening time to release any old energy and invite in new, fresh energy. I hope you enjoyed this. If you'd like to learn more about deepening your practice of energy healing and meditation, please come visit us and learn about our LIBERATE program. Blessings and namaste.